Hello, wonderful students. Today we're going to do a review of tax and discount together. Now, I made a little diagram that I hope is helpful to you. And what I want to show is that the way you begin finding a taxed price or a discounted price is exactly the same for both. So whether I'm finding tax or discount, I'm going to change the percent to a decimal and multiply it by the price. Doesn't matter which one of those I'm doing. This step is the same. However, if I've got tax, I add the tax to the price. And I can see I have a mistake on my paper. That should be discount. And with discount, we change the percent to a decimal and multiply it by the price, but we subtract the discount from the price. So, let's take a look at a couple problems. So let's see. A meal costs $18.50. If you have a coupon for 20% off, what is the amount of the discount? What is the final price of the meal? So, a meal costs $18.50. I have a coupon for 20% off. That's a discount. I will be subtracting to find the discount. So I'm going to put my $18.50 in for the price times my percent as a decimal. 20% divided by 100 is 0.2. 20% of $18.50 is $3.70. That's the amount I don't pay. So we take the price, I subtract that amount I don't have to pay, and the amount I do have to pay is $14.80. So the amount of the discount was $3.70, and the final price of the meal is $14.80. Now I want to show you something, because we're going to work on a tax problem next. I'm going to erase my numbers from here, and I want to show you something about this template that I have been setting up for us. Okay. Remember how on the first page we said that the first step is the same for the both? And with tax you add, and with discount you subtract. It's really the same template that we use for both. So what I can do here, I'm going to start with the price, right? This is a tax one. This is a tax problem. I take the price, same as with the discounts. I calculate the percent as a decimal, same with discount. But if we're talking about a tax problem, when I do that multiplication, that will give me the amount of the tax. And then down here, this is very similar as well. I start with the price, but I am adding the tax amount. And it won't be a sale price. We usually just call this the final price. So this whole first line is exactly the same. And then it's just a question of adding for tax or subtracting for discount. So let's go ahead and do number 2 here. A new Chromebook costs $329. That's the price. If you live in Hawaii, you must pay 4% sales tax. So since we know it's a tax problem, we know we will add. What is the amount of the tax? And what is the final price of the Chromebook? Okay, so here we go. The 4% as a decimal. We do 4 divided by 100, we will get 0.04. I'm going to take the price of $3.29. I am multiplying it by 0.04, and I come up with $13.16. So because it's tax, I'm adding. So I have my price of $3.29. I'm adding on the tax of $13.16, and my final price for the Chromebook will be $342.16. So those are the only samples for today. And these are the 3 independent problems I'd like you to do. So let's take a look here. Number 3, that's a discount problem. You'll need to subtract. Let's look at number 4. This is buying sunblock with a Canadian sales tax. So tax gets added on to the price. And then down here, we're going to buy a Disney ticket, but we have a discount of 20%. Remember, with a discount, we subtract. So this should get you going on the independent ones. And I have a feeling you're going to do a beautiful job. I'll look forward to seeing your wonderful work. And I hope you have a wonderful day.